So, Bismillah, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, inshallah, we will start with subtracting across zero. Subtracting across zero. So, we will start with page 100. Page 100. So, all what you have to do I need you to open page 100. I will give you the example. I will solve the first one here. Then we know how we solve. Then after that, you will start solving. Please don't open your camera, please. Again, one more time, don't open your camera for any reason. Don't open your camera, please. So the question that we have 30,090 minus 22,977. As we said before, to start subtracting, we need to start from right to the left. From the ones, then going to the left. So we have here 0. 0 minus 7 is impossible because 0 is smaller than 7. So how we can subtract? We will borrow 1 from 9. So 9 now will be 8. And 0 will be 10. So now it will be 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7 equals 3. Then after that, 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7 is equals 1. Then 0 minus 9. Can we subtract 9 from 0? 0 is smaller than 9. So we'll go to the left. To borrow from 0, that's 0. So we'll borrow again from 3. So 3 will be 2, it becomes 2. We will borrow 1. Borrow 1 and give it to 0, so it will be 10. But we need 1 for this 0. So again, we will borrow 1 from 10. It will be 9. And 0 will be 10. Now we will subtract. Again this point. Again this one. We have here 0 minus 9. 0 minus 9. Please put your hands down. Put your hand down. Please put your hand down. Listen until we finish this part. Then you can solve. Now we have 0 minus. Have you finished playing? Zero minus 9. 0 minus 9, 0 is smaller than 9. So we can subtract. So all what we have to do just to borrow 1. Can we borrow 1 from 0? No, we will borrow 1 from 3. So 3 will becomes 2. And we will borrow 1 to 0. So it will be 10. Then again we will borrow 1 from 10. It will be 9. And this 0 will be 10. Now we can subtract. 10 minus 9 equals 1. 9 minus 2 equals 7. And 2 minus 2 equals 0. So the answer now would be 7,113. 7,113. Is there any problem for this one? If you have any problem, my question is, if you have any problem about this part or you didn't understand this part, please raise your hand. My question is, if you didn't understand this part, please raise your hand. Don't ask me about which page. My question is, if you didn't understand, please raise your hand. Which part that you didn't understand, Ryan?
Here.
Which part that you didn't understand?
Here. The part that I didn't understand is I understand all the parts.
Malik. What's your question?
I didn't understand.
Which part that you didn't understand it?
Oh, the 10 at the beginning, all of it.
All of it? I will explain it again one more time. Listen, please, and stop playing, and you will understand. Again, for this one, how we will subtract. Now, start from the beginning. 0 minus 7. 0 is smaller than 7, so we can subtract. So we'll put a 1. I will take 1 from 9. So 9 now will becomes, just 1 minute. I told you, if you open your camera, I will put you in a waiting room because you want to play. So you will be in the waiting room and not allowed to join the class. 0 minus 7. 0 is smaller than 7. So we'll take 1 from 9. So now 9 will be 8. I'm taking 1 from 9. It will be 8. And I take 1 from 9 and put it beside 0. So it will be 10. 0 becomes 10. The normal subtraction. 10 minus 7 equals 3. 8 minus 7 equals 1. 0 minus 9. Can we take 9 from 0? We can't. So we'll put a 1. The number at the left is 0. So we can't take 1 from 0. So again, we will put a 1. We'll go to the left. From 3, it will be 2. And this 0 will be 10. This 0 will be 10. So now we will take 1 from 10. If you take 1 from 10, it will be 9. And this 0 will be 10. So 10 minus 9 equals 1. 9 minus 2 equals 7. 2 minus 2 equals 0. And that's how we can subtract. If you didn't understand, please raise your hand. If you didn't understand, raise your hand. Okay. So we will start. Ammar, what's your question?
Teacher, page number what? 99?
So when I'm asking question, my question is, if you didn't understand, raise your hand, and you are raising your hand to waste time, it's not accepted. For me, it's not accepted. Again, one more time. So now open your book, page 100. 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 Who can solve with me question number 1? Question number 1. Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman, solve with me question number 1. Abdurrahman.
Yes, hello?
Solve question number 1. Now we need to solve.
Okay. 2 minus 2 minus 1 equal 1.
Again, the same mistake for yesterday, Abdurrahman. We subtract. We start from right to the left. From the ones place to the left. We are going to the left. So we have to start from the ones place. Don't start from any other digit. Okay?
Okay. 3. Okay. Okay. 3 minus 4 we can't. So we go to the other one. We borrow. Then.
Can we borrow from 0?
No, we can't.
Can we borrow from 0? So we go to the left. Can we borrow from 0?
No.
So we'll borrow from 2.
2.
So 2 now will be?
2 will be 1.
1. And 10
Then,
and 0 will be?
And 0 will be 1.
No. We are taking 1. 0. So if you take 1, put it beside the number, at the left of the number, so it will be?
10.
10. So we need to subtract. We didn't finish this part. So again, we will put 1 from 10. It will be 9.
9, yeah.
And this 0 will be?
10.
10. But we need to take for 3.
Yeah.
So we will repeat it again. How we can repeat it?
From 3.
From 10, we will take 1.
Take 10. 1.
So it will be?
4.
No. I will take 1
9,
from 10.
9.
It will be 9.
9.
And the 3 will be?
4.
No, not
4.
4. We just put 1 beside 3. So it will
13.
be? 13. Yes. Now we can subtract. So how are we going to subtract this one?
13 minus 4
Equals
9.
9.
9 minus 5.
Yes.
4.
4.
Yeah, and 9 minus 1, 8.
Yes.
And 1 minus 1, and then
1 minus 1.
11.
1 minus 1, 11.
1 minus 0. No,
0. So what is the answer now?
It is,
What is the answer?
80,049. 80,049.
No. No, the answer is not 40,000.
80,400.
No.
49.
Just 3 digits. Read this number. 849. How can read it?
Oh, 849.
849. Okay. Thanks. Thanks, Abdurrahman. So we need the other one, Yusuf Usama. Yusuf Usama.
Yeah.
Okay.
0 minus 2, so it will can't, because it's less. We will go from 0, but we can't go for
So again, we go to
another.
0.
We can't. We will go to 8. 8,
So-
it will give the 0,
So it will
10.
be
It will be
8
7.
will be 7 at the first, and this 10 will be, the 0 will be.
10.
So again, we will put a 1.
It will be 9.
Yes.
And the 0, it will be 10.
Yes.
And the same thing, it will be 9.
Yes.
And the 0 will be 10.
Yes.
10 minus 2, it's 8.
Okay.
And 9 minus 0, it's 9.
Yes.
And 9 minus 5, it will be 4.
Yes.
The 7 minus 3 also will be 4.
So the answer now, can you read this number?
4,498.
Yes, perfect. Thanks. So we need Ali Othman. Ali Othman, solve with me. Ali Othman, page 101. That's page.
Teacher, I don't want to solve. I just have to tell you that I saw Ilyas that he quickly turned on his camera and he turned it off.
Sorry?
I saw Ilyas, he quickly turned on his camera and he turned it off again.
I didn't ask you to tell me.
Number 3.
For that, you will not answer. I didn't ask you to tell me. That's a very bad habit. If you see anything and you just tell anyone about it. That's a very bad habit. So don't repeat it again, please. Abdullah?
Yes.
Abdullah, solve with me question number 3.
Question number 3.
Yes, page 101. Leave the book and just look at the screen. Solve with me.
Okay. 0 minus 6 is not possible, so we will take 4 will be 3.
Yes.
0 will be 10.
Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. 0 will be 10. Then
10 minus 6.
Equals?
4.
Yes, perfect. Then
3 minus 4 is not possible, so 0 will be 2 will be 1.
2 will be 1.
0 will be 10.
0 will be 10.
10 will be 9.
9, yes.
And 3 will be 13.
Yes, perfect. So it will be
8.
no, 13 minus the 4 is not 8. 13 minus 4 is not 8.
Wait.
Count after 4 until we find 13.
9.
Yes, 9.
9 minus 9, 0.
Yes.
And 1.
Okay, so what is this number?
1000 and 1,000.
That's the number.
1009.
What is this number?
1094.
Yes, thanks. So we need question number 4. Ilyas. Ilyas.
Yes.
Okay, solve with me question number 4.
Okay, question number 4. 8 minus 5 is 3.
Yes.
0 minus 5 cannot be, so the number at the left is also 0, so it cannot be. So we take from the 7.
Yes.
The 7 becomes the 0 becomes a 10, and then the 10 becomes a 9.
Yes.
And then,
So 7 becomes 6, and the 0 would be 10. Then it will becomes again 9. So the 0 would be 10.
and then
Okay.
And then 10 minus 5 is 5.
Yes.
And 0 is 9. And 6 minus 2 is 4.
Yes, perfect. So this number is?
4,953.
Yes, thanks. So we need Malik. Malik, solve with me question number 5. Malik. Question number 5.
So 0 minus 2, it can't be. So we'll go to the 5, and the 5 will be 4.
Yes.
And then the 0 will be 10. 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 is 8.
Yes.
And then 4 minus 6, it can't be. So we go to the 0, it can't be. We go to the 12.
The 2.
The 2.
No.
The 2 becomes 1. And then the 10.
The 0 would be?
The 0 becomes 10.
Then we will take again 1. So it will be?
9.
9. And the 4 will be?
The 4 will be 5.
No. Just add 1 beside 4. So it will be 14.
14.
Yes.
So 14 minus 6
equals
13, 12, 11, 10, 9.
Don't count, no, not 9. Don't count back. Count forward. Count after 6. Now we have 6. Count after 6 until you find 14. So after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6.
6. Just again for this one. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it will be, if you count, it will be
7.
8.
8.
Count in your finger, please. Count after 7. Don't, after 6. Don't count 6. After 6 until you find 14. Find how many fingers now.
7. 8.
So it will be 8, yes. You know how to subtract, how you count? Count forward, don't count back. Count forward, it will be easy. Then, the next one. 9 minus 1.
Equals 8.
Yes. 1 minus 3.
1 minus 3. We can.
So it will be 11 minus 3 equals?
11 minus 3.
Count after 3 until you find 11.
3.
After 3, don't count 3.
So it's gonna be
Right or wrong, no problem. Just give me the answer.
8.
Yes, perfect. So the answer now is, can you read this number?
8,888.
Yes, thanks. So we need Muhammad Asim to solve the next one. Muhammad Asim, solve the next one. Solve question number 8 with me. Number 8. Muhammad Asim.
Yes, sir.
Question number 8. Can you see question number 8?
Okay. We can subtract 2 minus 3. So we're going to take the 3 and it will become 2.
Okay, 3 will be equals 2. And this 2 will be?
12.
Okay.
And then it will be 12 minus 3 equals 9.
Yes.
And 2, so we're going to take 1 from the 6.
Yes. It will be 5. The first 0 will be?
10.
10. Then we will take 1, so it will be 9.
This will be even 9.
Also, this one will be 10. So we'll take 1, so it will be 9. And this 2 will be? 12. So 12 minus 3. Again, one more time.
12 minus 3 equals 9.
Yes.
And then 9 minus 8 equals 1.
Yes.
9 minus 1 equals 8.
Yes.
5 minus 2 equals 2.
No.
5
minus 2. Not equals 2.
3.
Equals what? 3, because the sound is not clear. Equals 3, that's right. So can you read this number? Abdul Latif will be the next one, huh? Can you read this number? Raise your voice. The sound is not clear. Raise your voice. The sound is not clear. Put the mic in the front of your mouth.
38,199.
Yes, thanks. So we need Abdul Latif. Abdul Latif, solve with me question number, just 1 minute. Question number 7. Okay.
1 minus 3 cannot be done.
Okay.
So you take, and you can't take from the 0.
So we'll take from?
So the 8.
Okay, so the 8 now will be?
7.
And the 0 will be?
10.
10. And we will take 1 from this 10. So it will be?
9.
9. So, and this one will be?
10.
No. Put 1 beside 1. So it will be?
11.
11, yes.
11.
Okay.
And you can't, and 10 minus
Not 10,
11
11 minus
3
equals?
11 minus 3 is
Count after 3 until you find 11.
8.
Equals 8, yes.
And 9 minus 2 is 7.
7. Yes.
And 7 minus 8 cannot be done.
So
you take one from the 6.
So it will be.
And the 6 will be 5, and the 8 will be 7, and
No.
the 7 will be 17.
Yes.
And 17 minus 8 is 9.
9, yes, perfect.
And 5 minus 5 is 0.
Yes.
And 4, and the 4 minus nothing, just 4.
Right, 4 without any. So read this number.
40,978.
Yes, thanks. So we need Taki to solve this question. Question number 6. Taki.
No, teacher, I am here. I am here. Teacher.
Yes.
Yalla, 0 minus 5 we can't able because the 0 less than 5.
Okay.
So we take we go from the next to first. The next is 0. We can't. So we
Take 1 from 4. It will be 3.
And 0 will be 10, but we take from the 10 will be 9.
Okay.
And 0 will be 10.
Yes.
5 minus 10 will be 5.
Okay.
9 minus 4 will be 5.
Okay.
3 minus 4 you can't because the 3 is less than 4.
Then?
We take from the 10 will be 9.
Okay. We'll take from 1, it will be 0, and the 0 will be 9, and the 3 will be 13. Then 13 minus 4. Subtract now.
9.
9, yes.
And 9 minus 5 will be 4.
Yes, perfect. Read this number.
4,955.
Okay. And stop playing with the camera, Taki. Don't open the camera one more time. Maher? Maher? Question number 9. Maher, question number 9. Maher is not
Yeah,
here.
I went to the bathroom actually.
Okay. What is the answer?
Question number 8. Wait, 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 0. The youngest. Yeah, I found it. It says 1, 3, 0. Okay, it's 9.
So
6 minus 5
is
1.
okay.
And 0 minus 5 is not possible. So 0 minus 0 is not possible, but we still have to give the 2 to the 0. That's how 2. That's how the 2 of the term into 0 and the 2.
So 2 will be
2 will be 1 and the other 0 will be 2. Then
no, just 1 minute. 1 minute. This 0 will be the first 0 will be.
It will be 2.
How 2?
I mean 1. 1.
No. If you take 1, put it beside 0, it will be 10. Then we will put a 1 again one more time. So this 10 will be 9. And the last 0 will be 10.
Yeah.
So 10 minus 5.
10 minus 5 equals 5.
Okay.
And 1 minus 0 equals, 1 minus 0 equals 0.
Just 1 minute. 9 minus 0.
9 minus 0 equals 9.
9. Then
Then 1 minus 3 is not possible. So we'll take 1 from the 5 and the 5 will be 4 and the 2 will,
there is no 2, there's 1. 1 will be?
1 will be 11.
Okay.
11 minus 3 equals 11 minus 3 equals,
Count after 3 until you find 11.
okay, I'll do it. Equals 8.
Equals 8.
It equals 6.
How 6?
Oh, yeah, it equals 8.
Okay, then 4 minus 1.
4 minus 1 is so easy. It is 3. Wait, I want
So
to
read this number. Read this number.